Hey everybody, just a quick fun video on Oppo's new Mooncakes set. So initially when I was making this video, I wanted to use the title Mystery Box Unboxing, like Oppo Mystery Box, because that would probably get more traffic, right? It would get more attention, and a lot of YouTube channels do that. But I decided against it because I really don't like clickbait. I don't like spam. Like, I don't want to trick people into clicking into shit, and there's just too much of that on the internet nowadays. Like, headlines are ambiguous. So I really wanted to do a fun video saying, oh, I don't know what this is, mystery box, but then I'm not gonna lie because Oppo's guy already told me this is Mooncake. So the guy handed me this box earlier. When I first saw it, I was pretty excited. I thought, whoa, this is like a special edition of the Oppo Find X. Am I getting a new phone, like an Oppo laptop or something? But he told me, nah, it's Mooncakes. And I was like, damn. So Mooncakes, for those of you who don't know, it's a Chinese dessert for Mid-Autumn's Festival. So Mid-Autumn's Festival is celebrated in China, Hong Kong, and I believe throughout Southeast Asia too. It's like this ancient Chinese holiday celebrating a goddess up on the moon. So the Mid-Autumn's Festival is actually 2 days ago. So the guy gave it to me late, but this is the box. It's really heavy duty. Like, the guy who came to meet me, he took 2 boxes of these down to Hong Kong because he's also giving one to another media. So I was like, dude, what's in your bag, man? It's like 15 pounds. So we'll open this real quick. You see it has this little metallic button, so this is pretty heavy duty. This is like better packaging than most of Oppo's phones. So you do that and then you open up. It's pretty nice. So you see this is the full moon. We have the Oppo logo right here. And I believe the Mooncakes are actually in here, but let's see what's in here first. Oh wow, this is alcohol. So this is a Chinese poem. This is for sipping while you admire the moon. I think this is like a plum. My Chinese is not that great. I believe this is like a plum. Yeah, it's a plum alcohol. And what is this? Oh, okay. Glass cups for alcohol. Pretty nice. Man, this is a really heavy duty packaging. What are these? These are Farkle. So this is a type of cake. Not mooncake though. The mooncakes are here. These are another type of cake that Chinese people eat during the holidays. What is in here? Like chopsticks or something maybe? Oh, knives and forks. Oh, this is really nice. It even comes with utensils. And then these has to be the mooncakes. Yep, okay, they're quite small. So for those of you who never had mooncakes, I'm personally not a fan, but a lot of Chinese people love it. So this is obviously like this bread pastry thing, and then inside is custard, and in the middle is an egg yolk, a fully cooked egg yolk that kind of resembles a full moon. So the taste is a little bit like sweet and savory. So again, I'm not a fan of mooncakes actually, but I will try one later along with some alcohol, but afterwards, because I have a super busy ass day. I mean, look at all the shit right here. I have a lot of stuff to test. I have a new VR camera from Insta360. I have a new smart doorbell. I have the iPhone XS Max, the iPhone XS, and I have a phone from Umi Digi and a phone from HomTop, and I have a laptop to review. So I am just kind of packed with work right now. But thanks for watching this little fun video. Thank you to Oppo for sending me this giant packaging that at first I thought it was a phone. But yeah, thanks for watching.